Alright, everybody, it's Jinky of the day. It's Jinky of the day. It's Jinky of the day. It's nice to be here again. Yes, it's a heat wave outside in Portland right now, so I'm not outside. I'm inside. And we're in front of the wheel. Today's episode's going to be short and sweet. The sun has been traveling through the 31st gene key from the 25th of July to the 31st. And right now we are experiencing a full moon. So, our focus today is going to be on the full moon. And let's just look at this 31. We're working with arrogance at the shadow, leadership at the gift, and humility at the city. This, my friends and family, is the voice of the group. There are 3 leadership keys: the 21, the 7, and the 31. 31 is the voice of the group. So themes this week, but also in this whole moon cycle, have been with the throat and the opening of the throat. So, we are having a full moon, so we know what that means. It's when the sun and the moon are opposite in the sky. So the moon is in its programming partner 41. And they are creating this incredible opposition, illumination with each other, bringing these 2 keys into our field of consciousness. And so much of these keys I think about is original, creative, finger on the pulse of the collective, bringing the new into the world. And a lot of it, again, is through our voice. So I want to bring our awareness to how 2 weeks ago, when we had our last new moon, the moon was in the 62nd gene key, and we talked a little bit about that. The 62 and the 31 actually have a special relationship. And that relationship is that they form the 2 keys within the codon ring of no return. Dun, dun, dun. So I want to point out that sometimes, actually, there's various codon rings, many of them, especially the ones that just have 2, that will place themselves along the elemental wheel, one apart from, or like this one, with one other one in between, every other, like with a skipped little step. So here's the ring of no return. I'll give you another example. Here's the ring of fire, 14 and 1. There, it's 1, then another key, and then 14. The reason why I'm bringing up this little pattern that we see is that if, by chance, a new moon happens in one of those keys, then the full moon is illuminating that energy and taking the contemplation and the cultivation of our intentions from that new moon, and it's bringing it to its heightened state in that same codon ring. Does that make sense? So sometimes moon cycles will land inside of a specific codon ring and loop itself to create some kind of deepening. And to me, I think about these as like little collective time-released capsules of specific information being processed through. So right now, the ring of no return. What is the ring of no return? For that, we're going to talk to a very, very interesting character who seems to have the answer. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm here to talk to you about the ring of no return. So let us just remember that this is heightened in our consciousness, in our awareness. How has the ring of no return showed up for you? We're going to check. This mysteriously named codon, the ring of no return, refers to the evolutionary process that takes place when higher consciousness reaches the throat center of human beings. The throat center is where the greatest human initiation occurs. This is the great initiatic leap from the fourth causal body into the fifth Buddhic body. So, once you begin to speak your truth, and the higher involutionary currents begin to use your voice to transmit their truths, there is no return. At this point, you have broken away from the lower realms forever, taking the leap from worship to embodiment. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a very important theme for you to be paying attention to. How is your vocal throat leadership very important? All these things, how are they alive in your life? Oh, you'd like me to do the thing? I'll do the thing. Have a very nice day.